Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the Perytong Headphones headband. I got this thinking I would wear it to sleep since so many people love that, but I have to tell you that my favorite way to use this headband is when I'm doing housework or watching shows in bed. Having the headband is much more comfortable than the earbuds of any sort, and especially for housework, it keeps my hair out of my face and I don't have to worry about the headphones falling out. So I did also try to use the headband while I was traveling, and in the air, I found that the airplane noise was too loud for the headband to really be effective while I was watching shows in air. So outside of that, I have really enjoyed having this headband. The charging, just to call this out since I'm showing it, worked with my iPhone charger also, which I thought was super convenient since I didn't have to go find something else while I was traveling with my iPhone. All right, I wanted to answer a couple of questions that I saw down on the listing that people have asked. Does it make you hot, especially in the summer? I have not found that. I live in Texas. It is quite hot here, and the headband has not made me sweat or anything. And the other question that I thought I could answer is, will it disturb others in the same room? And no, so far the noise has been contained to the headband, and I found it very effective. All right, I hope that helps.